How to recover lost streak on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you do that, click on the avatar at the top left and then click on the settings gear icon at the top right. And here let's scroll down to the support section, and from there you will see an option that says I lost my snap streak. Click on it, and here you will see that there's a section that says what best describes your issue. So from there, click on how do I restore my snap streak, and Snapchat here will explain to you how do you do that. As you can see, it tells you that if you recently lost your snap streak, you can restore it with one free snap streak restore or with an in-app purchase from the chat feed or your conversation. And it also tells you that you can start a new snap streak with your friend by sending a snap back and forth to each other every day, aka within 24 hours or for 3 or more consecutive days. And it also tells you, please note that snaps sent with memories or spectacles content to other Snapchatters do not count towards your snap streaks. So as you can see here, it gives you some 2 or 3 options. So depending on your situations, go and try each option on its own and see what works for you. Uh, yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can recover your snap streaks on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.